Well, folks, we're back today with another reveal. Amelia's already getting to business over here. Okay, as you can see, she's super excited, right? You super excited? Yes, I know you are. I know you are. Yes, open it. 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 So we're gonna have Amelia open the box and see some of the goodies that are inside of it. And look it, she wants to get on camera here today. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Show them teeth. Show them teeth. Oh, yeah, she went like that. Yeah, all right. Good girl. So Amelia, what do we have here? What do we have to show these guys today? Is it toys? Yes, it is. It is some toys. Well, folks, we're gonna get to it now. Dun dun dun. Open that box, girl. There you go. Good. Well, you're gonna watch if you don't cut yourself, man. You just open this box, girl. Go ahead, go for it. Let me help you out a little bit. Oh, what's that? Some packaging there? You like doing things like this, huh? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Wow. What do we have here, Amelia? Is this a masterpower turbo? What? Amelia? Girlfriend? What'd you get here? Come on. Let's see you open that up, girlfriend. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah. I know. That's the way I feel too. They're done. Let me help you a little bit because I know that's a little bit heavy. You're strong, but you're not that strong. Toma. Take it out. Go ahead, girl. Yeah, buddy. Wow. Okay. Throw that to the side. Good job. Good job. Toma. Take that out. Yep, perfect. Throw it to the side. Good job. There you go. Toma. Throw that to the side. Good job. Whoa. Amelia, do you see what I see? Yes. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Holy moly. Right? Holy crap, but doodle doo. Right? This is crazy. Crazy. You wanna take it out the bag? Oops. You gotta get that off the floor. That wasn't good. She wasn't using that, I promise. Holy. Let me help her out. Hold on. Do it. Show everybody what you got. Show them. Show them. Whoa. Amelia, what you have to say about this? It's half your size. You making sure it spins good? Let me see. Wow. Yes, it does. Would you look at that? Holy. Yeah. Let me see. Test it again. All right. It's good? Go. Test it. Go. Oh yeah, yep, it's good. She knows what she's doing. Amelia, say thank you guys. This is how we spend daddy-daughter time. Oops, scratch that table. It's not good. Amelia, thank everybody for watching. Peace. This is our new 76, 71, folks. Thank you guys.